This video will show you how to mark a no-show and post a no-show charge in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily mark a no-show in case a guest doesn't turn up for check-in and charge for it. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you need to mark a no-show. Click View Details in the context menu that shows up. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. Click Charge No-Show that appears at the bottom of the reservation screen. The Charge No-Show panel opens up. Click the Reason drop-down arrow to view the list of reasons for no-show, and select the relevant option. Note, these reasons can be created from the admin console. Note that the system displays the charge for no-show as per the no-show policy defined in the admin console. However, you can edit the charges as needed. You can enter comments related to the reservation cancellation or no-show as a free text, in the description box. You may also choose not to send cancellation email to the guest by unchecking the Send Cancellation Email checkbox. Click Add Message to add a custom message for the guest. Type in Message for the guest, as a free text, in the message text entry box. Now, click Charge No-Show. Please note that, cancellation email is sent to the email ID of the guest recorded at the time of creating the reservation. If no email ID was recorded, system would ask the user to enter the same. Type in guest's email ID. Click Send Mail. Now, re-click Charge No-Show. An alert appears to seek your confirmation to mark no-show for the reservation. Click OK. You are redirected to the Payments section, where system displays the no-show charge under Account Statement. Alternatively, you can mark no-show for a reservation by directly clicking the reservation. The single reservation panel opens. Click View. Reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make changes and follow the steps explained earlier to mark a no-show. This brings us to the end of the video on how to mark a no-show and post a no-show charge in a reservation.